Hi everyone, and welcome to the Opal and Mommy Baking Show.
I'm Opal.
And I'm Mommy.
I'm Mommy.
No, I'm Mommy. And today we're gonna make Oreo mini cheesecakes. Are you excited? Me too. Alright, Opal. The first thing is we're gonna stick a bunch of cookies in this bag. And then we're gonna hit them with the mallet. Can you put cookies in this bag? These are gluten-free Oreos. Good. We're going to get a whole bunch of them in there. Good job. Alright, Opal. Now what we got to do is take our mallet and crush the cookies. You want to try? You're so good at that. Nice job. Uh-oh. Her boo-boo's all better, everybody. And she's doing a great job crushing those cookies. Wow. Alright, Opal, what's this in here?
Butter.
Yep. We're going to melt the butter. And then we're going to add it to our cookie crumbs, okay? Okay. While we wait for the butter to melt, we are going to put these in. Can you put them in? What color is that?
No.
Good job. What color is this?
Pink.
Good. If anyone is wondering, it takes about a column and a half of Oreos to make a cup and a half of crumbles.
Apples.
Yeah, so if anyone was wondering, it's like a cup per column. A cup per column. Yeah. Woo! Woo!
Oh.
5-second roll. Alright. Alright, Opal. We're gonna mix the butter with the crumbs. Can you do that? Can you put the butter in the crumbs?
Hot.
Oh, it's hot. Do you want help? Okay.
I'm not going to by myself.
Oh, you want to do it by yourself? Good job. Stir, stir, stir. Can you say stir, stir, stir?
Stir.
Very good. All right. Now we've gotten it in there and we're squishing it down with 1/3 of a cup measuring cup so that it's all squished to the bottom because that's the crusts. All right, now we're going to put these in the oven for 5 minutes. They say, thanks, Evan, for cooking today.
Thanks, Evan.
Thanks, Evan. What's this here? Don't touch it. Yeah. Cream cheese. Yeah, cream cheese. And then what's this? Electric mixer. And we have to be very careful by the electric mixer, right? We don't want to get hurt. So we're going to beat this for like 3 minutes.
Apple.
Yes, that's Mommy's elbow. Yeah. Can we move on? Okay. This is Opal's favorite part. What is this, Opal?
Sugar.
It's sugar. We're going to put 1/3 of a cup of sugar. You want to do it?
Okay.
All right, there you go. Very good job, Opal. Next is a teaspoon of vanilla.
I want it. I want to hold it.
Good job. And we're going to stir, stir, stir. What'd you say?
That's a very helpful.
That was very helpful. That's right. That's a great mixer being very helpful. And now we're going to put some Oreos in it again.
It's
much fun. Would you like to stir, stir, stir? Can Mommy have this? Thanks. All right, stir, stir, stir. That looks pretty tasty, doesn't it?
I want to hold it.
You want to hold that? You're goofy.
I want that.
You're all done with that? Okay. So now we're going to put this in this and put it in there. And then we're going to put them in the fridge. And then we'll get to eat them. Right?
I am.
Yep, me too. What do you have, Opal?
Cookie.
You get to eat a cookie? Wow. That's what you get for being so patient.